Oil filter. It filters engine oil. This filter removes any toxins and contaminants supplied with air and fuel, resulting from abrasion and chemical processes related to the work of the engine. To see the way oil filters are manufactured, we visited the PZL Sędziszów factory.
PZL Sędziszów specjalizuje się w produkcji wszelkiego rodzaju filtrów. Naszymi głównymi wyrobami są filtry paliwa, filtry oleju, filtry powietrza, kabinowe, ale również hydraulika i osuszacze powietrza. Produkujemy dla branż takich jak motoryzacja, przemysł i rolnictwo.
Now we're going to take a closer look at the production of spin-on oil filters. We start with the filter cartridge. The filtration paper will be put on the reinforced core. The reinforced core is made of a galvanized metal band. The machine makes IA perforations which serve as a screen for stopping the biggest contaminants. The filtration material is produced from resin-impregnated paper containing synthetic fibers, resistant to temperature differences and acids resulting from chemical reactions. The paper is pleated. A cover with a valve for opening oil flow will close the cartridge. In the case of filter clogging, the valve will let oil through in order to avoid engine seizure. We have all the elements, now we can proceed to the assembly of the filter cartridge. We saw the eco-technology installation process.
Technologia eko polega na tym, że papier łączymy z plastikowym dekielkiem bezpośrednio. Używamy do tego światła podczerwonego.
PZL Sędziszów produces IA air filters for trucks. Such filters have a diameter of approximately 35 centimeters and a height of 60 centimeters. The cartridge is now ready. Now let's take a closer look at the production of other elements. The filter cover. We can see how its reinforcement is made. The shape of the element and IA. The bumps necessary for merging it with the cover are cut out from a sheet. There are holes in the reinforcement and also a clamping thread which makes installation easier and assures proper fastening in the engine. Then the reinforcement is joined with the cover. A current of 10 kiloamperes passes through pre-prepared bumps and melts them. Now it's time for the pressing of spin-on filter housings.
Naszym flagowym produktem są filtry puszkowe. Mamy w pełni zautomatyzowany proces tłoczenia korpusów do tych filtrów. Odbywa się on na prasie postępowej, gdzie w jednym takcie maszyny wykonujemy 9 różnych operacji.
After the pressing process, the housings are degreased. Now we can proceed to the final assembly of the filter. The reinforced seal is placed on the cover. Then comes the cartridge and the stabilizing spring. The housing is mounted on all of this with sealing glue. The filter is then closed. Assembled filters are put on a hanger and transported to the paint shop, where they get their characteristic red color. Now it's time for quality control. In the laboratory IA, the resistance of oil filters is tested. The test consists in simulating the process of turning the engine on and off. Finally, the filters are packed and delivered from the warehouse to clients in Poland and abroad, IA to countries of the European Union and the Eastern Europe. The factory in Sędziszów produces 80,000 spin-on oil filters a month.